Hi and welcome to my first video. Just to remembered, this is my shows of ships.
My ship list.
Germany x Italy 7/10 at a normal ship, but not in the 2P.
Japan x Italy 1/10. Not a big fan. Germany x Prussia 0/10. What the hell? They like brother.
Japan x American 6/7/10. Good butt.
Finland x Sweden 1/0/0/0/10. Visit my favorite.
Hungary x Austria 0.7/10. Finally a normal ship.
UK x USA 0.010. Kill me.
Russia x China 5/7/10. I see them more like friends.
America x Casso 10/10 though, it's so cute.
Hey you, put your phone down. I said put your phone down. What do you want? Do part 2. Fine.
So, welcome back to Hetalia ship's list. Russia x France 0.3. 10. Not the best ship I see.
Estonia x Latvia 1/10. Latvia is more younger than Estonia, and 17 is not a good age to date 15 years old.
Poland x Lithuania 0.8/10. I guess that a good ship. Romano x Spain 0.1. 10 point. I'm not going to tell why. Turkey x America 0.4. 10. Look at now Pokemon. UK x Japan 0.8/10. I guess I like it. Bonus. Holy Rome x Chibi Italy 0.10/10. So cute. Russia x Canada 0.6. 10. Not good, but ... Canada x America 0.10. No. Russia x America 0.1. 10. Thank next.
Come on. What are you waiting for? Or subscribing? What are you waiting for? Mail is stuck in TikTok. Go subscribe. I said go subscribe.